how to use the library. So you probably had a library at your old school, but we're still going to show you because maybe you didn't make sense. Okay, so you're going to get the book that you want, any book, because we have literally hundreds, maybe even thousands. I don't know. But you come up to, her name is Mrs. Rice, she is the librarian.
Okay, Johnny, I'll have you enter your student ID.
I don't want to actually show my student ID.
Okay, and then I'll stamp your book with the due date. This will be due May 18th. I'll scan it and then hand it back to you. Thank you.
Yep. And now, say you come back, you read your book, you're coming back in, you just slip it right into here. And it's simple as that. You can also come down here if you have any free time during class, but you will need to get assigned permission from your teacher. So that basically covers most of it, and I hope to see you next year.